Fós Irish, welcome back and welcome to another mini Irish lesson. So this week we're going to look at how to ask somebody, where are you from? We're going to look at a few different ways actually, and then a little bit of a British-ese, a little bit of a breakdown. So if you were meeting somebody for the first time, if you went to a Kirkle Cora or whatever, this is obviously really handy, and it's like small talk. So you would be asking in English. So here's how to say it in Irish. Where are you from is Carb Osu. Carb Osu. Carb osu, carb osu. Now there is another way as well. You can actually use dits, carb ostits, carb ostits. So it's literally just a preference, whichever one you might have heard before, or whichever one you prefer. They both mean where you're from. In the dictionary, they give a little definition for this one as being where do you hail from? Where do you hail from? But basically, they both mean where you're from. A little fun one, and one that was used in the Gaelcoil where I lived, was people would say to you, Gaeilge, who owns you? So basically meaning, which family are you from? Who's your dad? So who owns you is Gaeilge. So that's kind of a fun one, and also maybe one that you might hear. Agus speaking British then, so if you want to change a person, so is us Aaron May, I'm from Ireland, is us Kilwanton May, I'm from Ireland, Carbasu, where are you from? There's a shavy there in the question form. If you were changing the person, this is what you would use. So, you would say, it's us Aaron A. He's from Ireland. And then I've put in the Dom That So version as well, in case you're using that version too. So this is just handy to be able to change the person. And if you'd love to be able to answer that question, then I've added that into the beginner Gaeilge lesson this week. So pop over to the beginner Gaeilge lesson in your newsletter to be able to say where you're from in Irish. It also includes a tutorial on showing you how to find your place name, your town, and your county in Irish pronunciation. Gurmeen Maha the Rish, thank you so much again. Slung full feckman chocolate. Bye for now, and I'll see you next week.